Welcome back to the channel. Dane Scott from Dane Scott's Truckers Lounge. A day has arrived. We are at Ashland for the Ohio Vintage Truck Reunion.
Painted sky in a sunset scene through the window of a GMC. White lines and lighted signs got me hypnotized. There's nothing like the feel of the road and the smell of the diesel smoke. Another 10 to 20 miles I'll be pulling in. This thing,
So let's get this show on the road, shall we?
far from home. 13 years just laying it down, driving my GMC. Yeah, you know what I mean.
Look at this bad boy. It is for sale. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. I've never liked these kind of trucks, but I like it. I don't know what it is. It's just got the look. Uh-huh. Yeah, sure. It's even got the old dome light still hanging in there. Yeah, this one's worth saving. If I had the room, you know what I would do. Here's Tow Mater. He's here every year. I don't know if it drove here or not, but everything's there. Didn't drive here, but might have driven off of the trailer. Look at that breather right under the sink. Yeah. Right under the seat. Very stinking cool. I don't know what it is about it, but I just love this truck. Nice, nice. That C model Ford is gorgeous. That's another truck that I never cared for till the last few years. Now I love them. Just goes to show you, you know how your tastes change? And there's nothing wrong with that. It's called refinement. Refining your tastes. Looky, looky, looky. Oh, and that one's for sale too. Oh man. $97.5. I don't know about that. But that is a nice truck. It's all there. Just needs pimped and polished. What are we running here? Looks like a kitty cat. Meow. What a beautiful picture. Sunrise at Ashland. Of course, this GMC Astro is killer. I mean, come on, how could it not be? It's a GMC! And this Kodiak from Exotic Fabrications over the years has just gone nuts. It's beautiful. This is the most beautiful Kodiak ever. Nice job, buddy. Nice job. Beautiful 359. Can never get enough of those. I love the purple trim. Man, I like that. Purple and satin black. 8-inch stacks. Good Lord. Mr. Wizard, maybe you'll change your mind and like purple now? I doubt it. Mr. Wizard don't change his mind. I like it. There again, Exotic Fabrications had a hand in that bad boy too. And here's Rob's truck shop, Rob Heron. His L9000 has come a long ways. He shortened the stacks on a couple years ago. I mean, this truck is gorgeous. And I do believe he runs an L10 Cummins in it, and it sounds phenomenal through those straight pipes. Beautiful work, Rob. Beautiful. And of course, I don't know if you guys follow this camper project. Stunning. On a stunning Lodestar, it was already killer. Then he put the camper on it. And I gotta admit, at first, Rob, I didn't think I was gonna like it. But you know what? Now I like it a lot. So I got some great news for you. We have another sponsor, MyTee Products, and they're real close by in Solon, Ohio, which is like an hour and a half from here. And you know how I like to promote local businesses, so I'm going to show you what's on their website, because at first I thought they were just trailer parts, trailer products. And I went to their website and I looked and I said, holy smokes, they got all kinds of truck stuff and truck parts and everything. So at the end of the video, when you're done watching it, look down below in one of those links and you'll get a link for MyTee Products, and you'll get a discount because you're going from Trucker's Lounge. So here's the website, MyTee Products. That's all you got to put in there. And when you get to the website, they've got cargo control, and they've got all of these subcategories of all kinds of parts: flatbed tarps, trailer parts, and truck parts. That's what we're interested in too. So check them out, MyTee Products. You don't see these anymore. Might not have seen it much in the day. Crew cab with, I do believe, an 8-foot bed on it. I might be wrong, but that is, let's see. It says it's 86. Yeah, 8-foot bed on it. I mean, come on. And the 9000 next to it, which I believe would be considered a L9000. Either that or a long hood Louisville. Braden Tucker, eat your heart out, buddy. I know you like these, and I like them too. For good reason. Beautiful design. Whoever designed these Fords, kudos. Love the lines. Square body. Bada bing, bada boom. Nice. Another truck nobody ever thought would be collectible. Nice Ford. He's been at my show a couple times. There's an L9000. B model Mac. Now that's very unique, very cool. I like a single axle when it's stretched back a little bit. I've never seen this little dump truck before either. That's beautiful. Good grief. Man, I like that. '84. '84. Look at that bad boy. What can you say? Art in motion. Gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Dodge and a Lodestar. Man, that Lodestar looks mean, don't it? Wow, and he's got patina juice on that. That looks stunning. Love it. Shiny patina and the rest of the truck redone. That's the way to do it in my book. Look at that. Man, that Lodestar looks cool. Wow, I'll bet you that's a gas engine too. They just look mean, especially with them tires on there. All business. All stinking business. Talk about an iconic stance. And look. Needle Nose Pete. Another stunning looking truck. What's your connection with Riss? Did you drive for them or?
I have no connection at all.
It looks stunning. I love company truck.
No, the only thing I did was I bought it off the guy that bought it off of Riss.
Okay.
So it was always in those colors, but without the name on it anymore. But you can still see the remnants on it.
Yeah.
So when I used to bring it to the truck shows, everybody would ask me, "Is that an old Riss truck?"
Yeah. Yeah, it is. Now they know.
Since they were out of business, I went ahead and with it.
Now that's cool. I've never seen that. That's got to be exclusive to Eagle, huh?
No.
No? You can buy them for anything?
Yeah, you can buy them. They're pole lights.
Wow.
I just, you know, your chicken lights.
Yeah.
On pole lights. Yeah, you could those are an option put on top of them.
Man. Oh, it goes on top of it. It's not part of it.
Yeah.
Okay, you can buy them separate. That's cool.
That one I drilled a hole and mounted it in there.
Uh-huh. Man, so clean too. Oh man. Oh man. That is so nice. This is probably one of the nicest Transtars out there.
Thanks, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, I haven't got mine.
Wow. Well, thank you for sharing that with me. I appreciate it. And Bill's here with his beautiful freight shaker.
Yeah.
Man. Always a treat to see that. Those two trucks together are stunning. Randy's got his killer Emeryville. Look at them curtains. Sweet. And this is bad to the bone here too. Look at this C50. And what's on the back? is even more stunning. A tilt cab Survivor. Look at that. Wow. Chevy tilt cab. Old school cool shaker. Now look at Joey Elliott's 352. This guy, he's got more trucks than me. Probably does. And they're all stunning. He paints them himself too. Just nuts. I was in the coffee shop. Imagine that. And the downpour comes down. I'm afraid to see the bus. Show on the road, shall we? So that's the end of part one. I hope you guys are enjoying this because there will be a part two, maybe a part three, because that was a big show and the trucks continued to come in. So it looks a little empty in some places, but by the end of the day, the place was full. And the weather did cooperate after the big downpour in the morning, but that just kind of cooled things off a little bit. It wasn't bad. It was hot, but not terrible. And yesterday, I just took old Angus here up to Geneva on the Lake for the Class 8 on the Lake Truck Show. And I took Sarge a few weeks ago to a truck show. Well, I attempted to, but we'll talk about that later. So listen, if you would, like the video and subscribe to the channel and get the bell notification clicked so that every time I upload a video, you'll know about it. Because we do lots of stuff with old school trucks, truckers and trucking and memorabilia, all kinds of stuff, old school trucking on here. And coming up, I'm going to have a killer Truckers Lounge interview with a former ICF employee, and he's got some trucking stories for us. So stick around town, and until next time, keep the hammer down, safe and sound. Ready to rock there, Colombo?
Yeah, thank you.